Welcome, fourth grade, to another great week of Number Talks. This is our week 8 video series. The multiplication strategy we're focused on this week is partial products. What I would actually highly recommend right now is stop the video, try to solve each one of these problems using mental math first, and then let's see how you end up doing. And just write your answer off to the side. So say, what do I think 6/12s is? What do I think 8/54s is? What do I think 35/24s are? And then write your answer off to the side. And that way, as we have a conversation, it's kind of an exciting way to engage you in the video. Guys, new stylus today. Woohoo! It's going to be magical. I feel it already. So we're looking at 6/12s. When we think of partial products, well, we think about the idea of distributive property. So when we think of 12, we know that 12 is the same as 10 plus 2. So 6 tens has a value of 60. 6 twos has a value of 12. So 60 plus 12 gives us an answer of 72. Another neat thing with partial products are, I know for others of you, you may say, well, Mr. Harrison, I would have counted by fives. Well, that's fantastic. 6 fives is 30. 6 fives is 30. 6 twos is 12. So 30 plus 30 is 60, plus 12 is also 72. That is not the only way you can do it. There's other ways you could have done it. But those are the two ways, to me, that seem the most practical for that problem. Well, let's look at 8/54s. So we could say, well, wait. We could look at 8/50s plus 4. So 8/50s, well, 8 fives is 40. Right, so 8/50s is 400. 8 fours is 32. So 400 plus 32, 432. Sorry, that was an ugly 2. I apologize. Let's look at another way. What if we said, well, we know commutative property allows us to look at it. What if we did 10 lose 2? Isn't that the same as 8? We're just substituting in place of 8 as 10 lose 2. 54 tens is 540. 54 twos is 108. So if I think about it, 540 lose 100 is 440. 440 lose 8 gives me also an answer of 432. Just another strategy we can look at. We look at 35/24s. We could say the 24 is the same as 20 gain 4. So if I double 35, that's 70. So 35/20s must be 700. If I think about 35, well, if I double 35 and that's 70, and if I double it again, well, wait, wouldn't that be 140? So in other words, 35 times 4, 35 groups of 4 must be 140. So I'm up to an answer of 840. Or another way, I know for some of us, we'd rather break it down in a little bit smaller numbers because that works out better for us. So maybe you actually broke it down where you said, well, I'm going to do 35 tens. Do 35 tens, and I'm going to do 2 plus 2. That's also a great strategy because you know 35 tens is 350. Another 35 tens is 350. And then we have 35 twos, which is 70. And then we have another 70 because we have another 35 twos. So 350 plus 350, that goes back to our 700. And then we're adding the 70 plus 70, there's our 140. So again, we're left with an answer of 840. These are not the only ways to use partial products, but these are some of the ways that I think will help guide you with, obviously we're doing 1 and 2 digit numbers, 2 and 2 digit numbers, but even when you get to 2 and 3 digit numbers. Enjoy, and look forward to catching up with everybody soon.